Standard 9 Chemistry, Rox reactions and rates of reactions. Topic is oxidation and reduction. You are familiar with the reaction between magnesium and chlorine to form magnesium chloride. Say the chemical equation for this reaction: Mg plus Cl2 giving MgCl2. The electronic configuration of magnesium and chlorine are 282 and 287 respectively. How many electrons does a magnesium atom donate? It is 2. And what charge will it get? It is plus sign. Let us complete the equation for this process. Mg giving Mg2 plus 2 electron. How many electrons are accepted by each chlorine atom? It is 1. And what will be the charge acquired by each atom? It is negative charge. Then complete the equation for this process. It is Cl plus 1 electron giving Cl minus. In this reaction, magnesium donates electrons and chlorine accepts electrons. We know oxidation is a process of loss of electron and reduction is a process of gain of electron. The atom which loses electron is known as a reducing agent and the atom which gains electron is known as an oxidizing agent. In the above chemical reaction, which atom is oxidized? It is magnesium. And which atom is reduced? It is chlorine. Which is the oxidizing agent in this chemical reaction? It is chlorine. And which is a reducing agent in this chemical reaction? It is magnesium. In the formation of hydrogen chloride, it is assumed that chlorine acquires a negative charge by accepting an electron and hydrogen acquires a positive charge by losing an electron. The oxidation number of hydrogen is taken as plus 1 and that of chlorine as negative 1. What is the oxidation number of hydrogen in H2? It is 0. What is the oxidation number of chlorine in Cl2? It is also 0. Now let us rewrite the equation by including the oxidation numbers. That is H2 with 0 oxidation plus Cl2 with a 0 oxidation giving 2HCl with H having plus 1 oxidation and chlorine having minus 1 oxidation. In this reaction, does the oxidation number of hydrogen increases or decreases? It is increases. What change takes place in the oxidation number of chlorine? It decreases. The process in which the oxidation number increases is known as oxidation and the process in which the oxidation number decreases is known as reduction. During the formation of hydrogen chloride, which atom was oxidized? It is hydrogen. And which is a reducing agent? It is hydrogen. Which atom was reduced during this reaction? It is chlorine. And which is an oxidizing agent? It is chlorine. Now, let us consider another equation. Zinc with a 0 oxidation plus 2HCl with hydrogen having plus 1 oxidation and chlorine having negative 1 oxidation giving zinc chloride with zinc plus 2 oxidation and chlorine having minus 1 oxidation plus hydrogen with a 0 oxidation. The oxidation number of zinc increases or decreases from 0 to plus 2. The oxidized atom is zinc. And the oxidation number of hydrogen increases or decreases from plus 1 to 0. And therefore the reduced atom is hydrogen. Here HCl is the oxidizing agent and zinc is the reducing agent. Now moving on to the method of determining the oxidation number. How do you determine the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4? Say the common oxidation numbers of some elements given below. For hydrogen it is +1, for potassium +1, sodium +1, calcium +2, aluminum +3, fluorine it is -1, for chlorine -1, oxygen -2, bromine -1, and iodine it is -1. The oxidation state of hydrogen it is +1. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Let the oxidation state of sulfur be X. We know the sum of oxidation state of all atoms in a compound is 0. Therefore, 2 into +1 plus X plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0. That is +2 plus X plus -8 is equal to 0. That is X minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, X is equal to +6. That means the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is +6. Now, let us understand what is a redox reaction with an example. H2 plus Cl2 giving 2HCl. Which atom is oxidized in this reaction? It is hydrogen, and the atom which gets reduced is chlorine. You know that these two reactions constitute the complete chemical reaction. H2 plus Cl2 giving 2HCl. Here the process of oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. Hence, these two reactions together are known as redox reaction. Now, when we conclude, oxidation is a process of loss of electron and reduction is a process of gain of electron. The element undergoing oxidation acts as a reducing agent and the element undergoing reduction acts as an oxidizing agent. Oxidation number of an element can be calculated and the reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place are called redox reaction.